How to restore a missing settings icon in Windows 10 and 11 Start menu. 1. Uninstall the latest update. Then download the show or hide. Updates tool to 2. Enable settings and choose which. Folders appear under personalization. 3. Pin settings to the start menu. 4. Restore previous Windows state.